Hey, guys.
Hello, guys.
Maribel,
Yeah.
Dustin. Today, we took a little drive out in the country, out to Plant City, 30 minutes east of Tampa. How many acres are we standing on?
About 3. About 3 acres.
Lots of green, lots of space, and just peaceful.
Green and serene.
We met in high school.
Through mutual friends, I saw a picture of him. I'm like, oh, he's hot, because what 16-year-old girl doesn't say hot, you know? And we hit it off, and the rest is history.
Wow.
We have 2 kids.
Our daughter Marley is 10, and our son Jet is 8.
Those are the coolest names ever.
Why are you wanting to build a custom home? Why now?
I have a sister. She has cerebral palsy. Her name is Rosie. She is the life of the party. Currently, she lives with my mom. My mom and I are very close. My sister and I are close. The plan has always been, ever since before we got married, that we would take her in. And we felt like, why not now? Taking care of my mom and my sister means a lot to me. My mom took care of my sister and I. She was a single mom. Our kids call her Tita.
Tita, I
And
like
our
that.
very good friends call her Saint Tita, because this woman exudes compassion like no one I've ever met. If I can be half the caretaker my mother is, I would be amazing. We wanted to build our dream home, get exactly what we need, meet the needs of my sister, and make the rest of our lives be great and be together.
You really want to just have everybody under one roof,
Yep.
that's amazing. What are some of the things that you know that you need in this home?
We really need a separate place for her mom and sister to stay,
Like kind of like a guest house.
but still attached.
So this is almost gonna be like 2 houses in one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
We're looking for the main house to have at least 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. We homeschool our kids. I also work from home. Yeah, I got to multitask, busy mom. So an office space would be really great.
Okay. Dustin, what do you do for work?
So I work as a firefighter right in downtown Tampa for 12 years.
Wow. So we have to make sure that, you know, your home is your retreat.
I definitely like to relax when I get home. So.
I bet.
I don't
Those
blame
shifts
you.
gotta be crazy.
And what about Rosie and Tita's space?
For my mom and sister, 2 bedroom, 1 bath with like a
Okay.
kitchenette.
Okay.
And since my sister Rosie has cerebral palsy, it's really, really important that it's ADA compliant, a walk-in shower, making sure doorways are wide.
We've actually built some ADA compliant homes before,
Yeah.
so we'll definitely make sure that she's taken care of.
This is kind of the first time that I feel like we are going to be combining 2 houses.
Yeah. Does that
So-
mean we get 200 days to build this
Yeah.
one?
100, we need to get out into our own space.
Married for 14 years, you guys probably already figured out what your style is for this house, right? What are you
Yeah.
thinking?
Our style, I would say, is like a ranch style
Okay.
with like some vintage touches. We love pieces in our home to tell a story.
Okay.
And so we have pieces that were his great-grandfathers or my grandfathers.
We've got some ideas for design. We definitely need to figure out a layout.
Yeah, we really need to figure out how to fit 2 houses into 1 space.
What about budget?
So our budget is $530,000, not a penny more.
$530,000, 100 days. Let's go.
Dial it in for sure. Today, meeting with Dustin and Maribel, I really want to focus on the floor plan. This 2-for-1 house is so unique. It's really going to be tricky, and Brian and I have to get this right. Now, this is a 1-story home.
I know we want 1 story for
Okay.
sure, especially with my mom and Rosie. Obviously, they're older. My sister has special needs.
Keep it easy, no
No
stairs.
stairs.
What are your thoughts on how they did the exterior of this home?
I really like the lap siding and the board and batten, and I really like that door color.
Okay, so we're not afraid to have some color pop on the entryway.
Yeah.
And Dustin, are you in agreement with that?
I don't want it to stand out too much, like
Not too bright,
not too,
not too
bright.
much color.
Yeah.
Are you ready to see the blueprint of your dream home and your mom and your sister's dream home
Yeah.
too? So when you guys pull up to your dream home, it's gonna give you that ranch feeling. Even though it's actually 2 houses combined, from the front, it still looks like 1 continuous house, which I think is really cool.
Very cool.
Awesome, we love it.
We've got great textures, we've got lap siding, we've got this board and batten. You're gonna have a beautiful front porch on the entryway to your dream home.
Definitely.
Why don't we step inside? Let's start with the main floor plan, which is going to be your living area. When you walk in through your front door, we don't want you to see any walls. So you guys will have your great room and your kitchen all together. To the left, you'll have a dining room. So you do have that formal dining, but your kitchen's also going to have the island, which is extra seating.
I really like this.
Right to the right of the entryway, you have a nice sized study. I think it's gonna be plenty of space for you to share that with the kids while they're doing school. You can be getting your work done.
Awesome, that'd be great.
The kids have 2 equal-sized bedrooms, which will be on one side of the house. And then we also wanted to make sure that they had a bathroom that was designated for them. So we did put a bathroom right in between the 2 bedrooms.
Instead of having the door in the hallway, is there any way that they could access the bathrooms from their bedrooms? That way it's a little more private.
A shared bathroom,
Yeah.
So then when you're coming down this hallway, you won't even know there's a bathroom there.
Yeah.
Only they can use it.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, we can definitely tweak that.
Shared bathroom, I like that.
So the kids are on one side of the house. We put your main suite all the way across on the other side. So you'll enter your room off the great room, and it takes up the entire right side of the home. So it's a nice size room.
Great.
So far, everything is looking pretty good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Definitely.
Because we have a whole nother house to talk about.
Yeah.
We knew that you wanted to have these 2 spaces connected, but also with separation as well. So in between, you'll have your laundry area, guest bath, and your garage to kind of be that middle ground between the 2 homes.
Like a buffer zone.
Perfect.
We wanted to give Tita and Rosie a separate entrance with a front porch, and then keep it kind of open in the common areas. So the living room and the kitchen are all one big space.
That's a great space for them.
We did the 2 bedrooms on the same side, and then a bathroom in between.
And we got that walk-in shower for them too. 'cause it's really-
Absolutely. No tripping hazards at all. It's ADA compliant, so the doorways are wider, the hallways are wider. It's really gonna be very convenient for them to live in this space where, you know, they're super safe as well.
Yeah, it looks great.
Looks great.
Yeah?
So for the main house, we got you your 3 bedrooms, your 3 bath, 2,600 square feet. And then for the guest house, we also gave you the 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 750 square feet.
And most importantly, we fit all of this into your budget of $530,000.
I'm really excited for you guys.
We're so excited.
Today we are breaking ground on Dustin and Maribel's dream home. Does it get any better than this? I don't think so. Playing around on big toys all day long. Brand new beginning for the family. Just awesome to be a part of it. We got 2 living areas, we got 2 kitchens, we got 2 laundry rooms, twice everything, including concrete. This is a massive slab. It's basically 2 houses in one, so got a lot of work to do today. We're standing in Rosie and Tita's portion of the dream home. It's gonna be so nice that we can kind of reunite the families. Almost done with this slab, so we're moving along real nice. So we're flying trusses out here in Plant City. And believe it or not, Walt and I are following instructions today.
This is our roadmap.
It's like a big puzzle piece. A7's next. Yep. I feel like I'm playing bingo. A7. Next is A8.
Bingo!
We have a winner. A07 coming up. Right now, the families are under 2 different roofs. Today, we're getting them under 1 roof. It's gonna look awesome when this thing's done, and what a cool project to be a part of.
This is looking good.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Dustin and Maribel are checking out the mid-progress of this construction one last time before the final reveal. What do you guys think, man? It's definitely coming along.
Yeah. You can actually kind of see what
Yes.
the space is gonna look like.
Yep.
Hasn't sunk in yet.
Yes and no. Oh, it's surreal, I guess. I know that Rosie is very excited. She asks me at least once a week, what's the move-in date? When are we
Deadline
moving?
is-
Yeah.
So Rosie's putting added pressure on us. We can feel it.
Yep.
It makes me happy to see a lot of progress so we can meet this timeline because we're both really eager to get into our house. The house is coming along, but we want to make a change.
You know, we're trying to build this house in 100 days, right?
Yeah.
The most dreaded words in custom home building. Want to make a change.
But it'll be beautiful.
We were hoping to take away a couple of the upper cabinets, like to maybe do some open shelving.
You're thinking floating shelves instead of cabinets?
Chad speaking.
Hey, Chad, what's up, man? It's Brian. Remember I called you last week and I needed a rush order on these cabinets for the kitchen?
Yes, sir.
Have you already started those? I mean, can we cancel part of the order? Because they want floating open shelves.
We have started on them, not the uppers yet.
Woo! We just dodged a bullet. All right, Chad, man, I appreciate it.
We'll talk to you soon.
Yep, have a good one.
Yeah.
Today we are in Plant City at Dustin and Maribel's dream home.
We have a full house of team members working in each space. There is not one room that you're gonna walk in today that something is not going on.
I gotta go check on Albert. He's grading the yard.
All right, and then we gotta go to the schoolhouse and grade that bell that we need to hang up.
We have the driveway getting ready to go in. We have backsplash going up. Countertops getting installed.
Oh.
It might be easier to tell you what's not happening because everything's happening today. Today is day 99. Got a lot of work to get done inside and outside, but by tomorrow, it's all gonna be worth it.
Oh my goodness, so much.
There's so much going on at Dustin and Maribel's dream home. We have landscaping ×2. We have furniture ×2. Meek, we're stuck. I still think we should head 200 days on this one. I'm just saying.
It was definitely a concern. I'll clear the pathway.
Let's go up. No, Meek, we're going up. We're going over the head.
Oh my gosh.
See?
All right.
Always work harder, not smarter.
That's right.
We knew that this was going to be essentially 2 homes that we were designing simultaneously. This is going into Rosie's room, which
Awesome.
matches your shirt, with very different tastes. So it's not like we could use the same style and throw it throughout the whole house. Still a lot to do.
Want to make sure we have fresh flowers for Rosie, and of course they're purple, her favorite color.
I love it.
Today is reveal day. Actually, it's reveals day.
Plural. Woo! We've essentially built 2 homes under 1 roof in 100 days.
Yeah.
We really had to design this house with Maribel and Dustin in mind,
Yeah.
Marley and Jet, and Rosie and Tita.
Is Jet going to like his room? It says very doubtful. Should I ask again?
I'll do it. As I see it, yes.
Yes!
Well, the day's here, guys. Are you ready, Rosie?
I'm ready. I have butterflies in my stomach.
As appreciative as I am from my parents, I'm ready to be in our own house.
Yeah, me too. Haven't even seen the house yet, and I'm already crying.
Woo! Here they come!
Oh my gosh.
Whoa! Oh my God, look at the tree.
The landscaping looks amazing.
Wow.
There's your
see?
front porch.
Oh, mommy, look. Oh, that's cute.
This is our first double reveal.
Double the pressure, really.
Hi, guys.
Hey!
Hey, looks so good.
It's amazing.
Welcome home.
Ay, qué bueno.
The outside looks good.
It
Yeah.
is.
What do you think?
amazing.
The different textures?
I like the wood.
Yeah, you like it?
It's gorgeous.
This is awesome. I don't think you guys know, like,
Just
You can do it.
Rosie, right?
before we even got married, we always talked about, like, what our life would look like. And this was one of the things. So to be able to do that now
Yeah.
and to be able to spend this time with my mom and my kids,
to grow up.
it's just awesome.
We were so honored to be part of this process with you, and we cannot wait to show you the inside of not your dream home, but your dream homes.
Yay.
Say, if you guys want to go hang out on your front porch, we're gonna show Dustin and Maribel their dream home, and then we will see you guys very soon.
Okay.
All right?
Right.
Aye, aye.
All right, you guys ready?
Oh, Maribel's
We're ready.
been
Come on, after you.
Wow, it looks so good. She can't talk. She can't talk. It looks fantastic.
looks incredible.
A little bit more space than your parents' house.
Yes, absolutely.
You guys wanna go check out the kitchen?
Oh, we gotta look at this kitchen space. Those floating shelves was a last-minute
Yes.
decision.
Yeah,
They look so good.
they look amazing. They're incredible.
This is actually wood we found in your storage shed from your great-grandfather's farm.
I can't believe that that is the same thing that you would have found.
And it's so great because, like, it's your grandfather's. Like,
Yeah.
he milled the wood. I'm blown away.
Oh,
I'm
love it.
blown away. Our kitchen will tell a story.
Oh yeah, it already is. Seeing the white with the accent color in the island, what are your thoughts?
I love it.
This island's huge.
You definitely have enough seating here, but you also have a breakfast nook and dining.
Yeah.
Seat at a dining room table, that's ours again.
Ah, yes. This is just part of the house, but we've got a really cool mudroom area I think we should check out.
Right this
See
way.
it.
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, awesome.
Awesome. Basket lights.
Okay, yeah.
We went digging through that storage shed. We found them and we finished them, and Dad helped me install those, which is really cool.
They look
Yeah,
great.
they look great.
This is kind of our buffer zone between the 2 spaces because behind that door, you've got the garage and then you connect to Rosie and Tita's.
Right. I love it.
There's another space that we want to show you that I think will be something the whole family will get use of. So let's check it out.
Follow us.
All right. Oh, man. This looks so good.
Is your breath taken away?
It looks fantastic, guys.
We figured this space gives you kind of the space to have an office in here, but then Jet and Marley have their homework area too.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
What do you think of the color?
Oh, I love it. It's like schoolhouse green.
Old school. We took it back old school.
Like the chalkboard.
Yeah.
Yeah. This room really came together, but I really feel like this brought it really together.
I love it.
Now you see where Jet and Marley are going to school. Should we see where they are going to be living?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
So what do you think Marley's gonna think about her room now?
She's gonna be floored.
She'll love it.
It's not a little girl room anymore, which kind of breaks my heart.
I know what you mean with that, girl. They're gonna be growing up in this house, so you want the space to kind of work for, you know, the years to come.
Our journey's not complete yet.
Oh, yeah, we
we
still
have to
got more.
continue through the bathroom over to Jet's room.
Ooh, yeah.
It's so cute.
Oh, man, look at that.
Oh my gosh. This is Dustin's dad's toy car when he was growing up.
Yeah.
Again, trying to sprinkle a little bit of that sentimental history in Jet's room.
Yep.
But more importantly, we most certainly didn't forget about your main suite. So
Yes.
shall we go check that out?
Yeah, let's go.
Come on.
No more sharing the bathroom.
No, not at all. Wow. I feel like it's a good mix between like some modern touches, but bringing it back to the vintage feel.
Yeah.
Well, good stuff. Let's check out your bedroom.
Gosh. Oh, I love it. It looks incredible. All the colors look great. I mean, it's honestly, I don't even know what to say. I feel like Mika and Brian really listened to what we were saying. They brought in the old and the new and made it work in a cohesive way that is exactly what we're really into.
So Rosie and Tita, sorry to keep you waiting. One reveal down, one more to go.
Yeah! All right, Rosie, let's do this.
Let's do it, Rosie.
All right.
You ready? Here we go.
Wow. Mom. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness.
Looks so good.
Oh, Rosie, you're gonna make me cry. It's my most happy tears. I like the floor.
Right?
I love the kitchen.
Yeah?
Oh, my
Mom,
gosh.
look.
Juntos, pero no revueltos.
Sí.
Together, but not scrambled, right?
Yeah. That's such a nice, beautiful touch. Oh my goodness.
Who wants to see their room first?
My mommy.
That is sweet of you. Does your mom deserve her own room and her own space?
Yes. So she's, I could hear snoring.
Oh, that's why.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Look at the big bed.
You got big bed, mommy.
Mom, it's beautiful.
Look at the color.
I love
Like
it.
the color, Mom?
My favorite color. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Can't wait to move in. Muchas gracias,
We
mija.
got new bed.
Oh, thank you so much.
Rosie, you ready to see your room?
Uh-huh.
Let's go see it.
Okay, you ready? All right, there you go.
Whoa! Mommy!
Look at that.
Whoa!
Wow.
Purple, my favorite. Yeah. I will sit down and relax.
You already moving in?
Yeah. Oh, what's in here?
You got a really big closet.
Wow.
Look at that, for all your stuff.
Wow. I like it.
Yeah?
It's party.
You ready to move in?
Yeah, it's party time.
Yeah.
I love my room. It's very beautiful. Thank you.
This is a very beautiful experience. It's an amazing experience.
This is probably one of the most unique floor plans that we've ever done. We've got the main house that has 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. Then we have Rosie and Tita's space with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath.
Wow.
A total of 3,300 square feet under one roof.
We did it in your time frame, but also in your budget of $530,000.
Yay!
What a great investment.
Yes.
Thank you so much. That's the first round of applause we've ever done, Rosie. That's a big thing.
We've dreamt this for a really, really long time. So to be able to have us all live together, it's huge.
So cool.
My mom gets to watch my kids grow up, and that's so special.